Hi guys, today's 90-second mug cake sundae comes together quickly to instantly satisfy your sweet tooth when the craving hits. In a small bowl, add a 1/4 cup flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a dash of salt. Add in a 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoonful of milk and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then whisk until all of the ingredients are combined. Add a little non-stick baking spray into your mug and pour it in your batter. I like to use a wide, large mug to allow the mixture to rise without overflowing in the microwave. Finally, sprinkle chocolate chips over your batter. Microwave your mug cake for 90 seconds on high. Now you're ready to enjoy. To make your sundae, top your cake with your favorite ice cream, whipped topping, chocolate syrup, or fruit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Have a blessed day.